Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a deep cleaning for you guys. Like, I do a deep cleaning every week, but today it's gonna be extreme. We're gonna be doing the Christmas version where we take down curtains and all of that and redecorate, but I won't be redecorating today. You'll see that in a separate video. All right, so if you're new over here, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I won't be talking throughout the video, so just enjoy the cleaning, okay? And guys, there is a whole bunch of cleaning community over here on YouTube. People likes to still just sit, and watch other people clean, and it's very therapeutic for them, and it encourages them to get up and go do something that they may be putting off for a long while. So if you're sitting at home and you're not working and you're always cleaning, why not just go ahead and start a YouTube channel and just show people how you clean, different ways to clean, and how you maintain a clean and tidy house, because it is also good for your emotional health, and people just love to sit and watch people clean. Yes, you have people just love to sit and watch people clean, and it is also very therapeutic for some people. So yeah, if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel and you're always cleaning, this would be a great niche for you. You could do cleaning and decorating and stuff like that. So yeah, let me just stop talking now, so enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, it's very important that you sweep the house first before you do any form of dusting of furnitures, to avoid dust from going back on the furniture after you've polished it. So that's what I usually practice, to just sweep first before I go into my dusting. So guys, usually when I'm polishing my glass, I like to use the coffee filter because it works perfect. But I was out of coffee filter somehow, and I decided to unravel the toilet paper wrapper, and it works very good, guys. Just use the toilet paper wrapper and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. It works really good for me. And another cleaning hack that I do is, like, when I'm polishing my furniture, as you can see, I just put an old sock on my hand and then I just spray and wipe, and it's just so easy to just maneuver just by using that sock on my hand, just like a glove. You just put it on and you just polish. So guys, when it comes to this little library, I just think it's easier for me to just unload it shelf by shelf, and each shelf I just dust it and replace the books right afterwards before I move on to the next shelf. It's just easier for me to do that. So guys, I just want to say I did change my gloves before I went in the kitchen. Okay, let me just get that out there. And the reason I'm wearing the gloves is I got a burn on my hand on Thanksgiving Day. Was it Thanksgiving? No, a few days before Thanksgiving Day. And yes, I just like to cover it up. I didn't want to show it in the video. And if you guys have been following me for a while now, you know that we mostly hand wash our dishes. We occasionally use the dishwasher, but yeah. So for my stove, I just used the glass top stove cleaner. I just rub it on with my hands and leave it just to work on its own, and then I'll come back and wipe it off. So for my oven, I'm just going to be using the Easy Off oven cleaner. I just do the same thing as the stovetop, just spray it in there, leave it for a little bit, and then I go back and I clean it out. So as you guys can see, the last thing I usually do is just disinfect and wipe my floor, and yeah, everything is all clean and spotless. And now I'm getting ready to decorate, as I said previously, but I won't be showing it in this video. It would be too long. All right, so stay tuned for that video, and I'm gonna be doing red and gold. So yeah, please come back and watch that video as well, guys. If you are new on my channel and you still haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Rate my cleaning in the comment section down below. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I am very excited because I really love to decorate, so I'm very excited for you to decorate with me.